Good morning, students. Class 2 Mathematics. Chapter number 1, Numbers and Numeration. This is our lecture number 7. Today's topics are write the number and its number name, shade the correct number, and match the column. Let's start. Here in this question, we have given one bowl and one bowl is equal to 10. And in this, how many bowls are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 bowls and 10 bowls are equal to 100. So, we have to write the number for the given piles. Here the piles are given. Let's count how many bowls are there in one pile. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 bowls. So, we will multiply 3 by 10 because one bowl is equal to 10 bowls. So, 3 tens are 30. In this pile, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls are there. So, we multiply 7 by 10 and 7 tens are 70. Now, in this pile, let's count how many balls are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 balls. So, we multiply 6 by 10. 6 tens are 60. So, understood beta how we have counted. Now, in next question, there is given write the number in hundreds. Hundreds को हमें H से डिनोट करना है, tens को हमें T से डिनोट करना है and ones को हमें O से and its number name. See, the number given is 608. How many ones are there, how many tens are there and how many hundreds are there? So, here we have 8 ones. So, we write 8 under ones place. 8. How many tens are there? 0 tens are there. So, we write 0 under tens place. And how many hundreds are there? 6. So, we write 6 under 100 place. So, what is the number name of this? 600 because 6 is at 100 place. And beta जो tens और ones का number होता है, we have to speak it together and write it together. So, the number becomes 608. The number becomes 608. Now, in next question, the number given is 973. So, again first we will write the places ones, tens and hundred. Here we have 3 under ones place and 7 at a tens place and 9 at hundreds place. So, the number becomes 900. 73 को इकट्ठे बोलना है 7373. 973. Understood? Now, in next question, the number given is 146. Here again first we write under places 6 at ones place, 4 at tens place and 1 at 100 place. So, the number name of this becomes 100 46 40. FORTY 40 6 SIX 6. 146. Now, in next number 259. The given number is 259. So, again first we write ones place 9, at tens place 5 and at 100 place 2. The number name of this number becomes 200 59 59. 259. Now, in next number 715, the given digit is, again we write ones place 5, tens place 1, and at 100 place 7. So the number becomes 700, 15, 715. Fifth, F-I-F, fifth, and then teen, 15. Now, in next number 325, the given digit is, now at 100, at ones place 5, at tens place 2, and at 100 place 3. So, the number name of this becomes 300, 25, 25. 325. Now, we have to shade the correct number for its number name. We have given number name and we have to find the correct number for it. The first number name given is 909, and these are the numerals for it. So let's start. This number is 990. Here the given number is 909, and this the given number is 999, and we have to shade the correct number of 909, and that is this number. So we will shade it like this. Now in next 828 is given. Okay, now these are the numerals for it. This is 928, this is 288, and this is 828, and the given number name is 828. So we will shade this number because this is the correct number. Now in next 708. In 708, the given digits are 780, 807, and 708. And we have to write the number name of this 708. So this is our correct numeral for it. Now in next 101. This is 100, 100. This is 101, and this is 110. So we have to shade 101. In next 332. It is given 232, 332, and 323. Given number name is 332. So we will shade this number. Now in next 607. This is 607, this is 706, and this is 670. So we have to shade the number 607. Understood, beta? Now match the number to its number name. Here the given number is 505. So we have to see where it is written. This is 555, this is 500, this is 505, 550, 515, 565. So where is 505 written? We will write A over there. Yes. Now the next number is 565. Where it is written? It is written at the last. So we write B over there. Now 555. It is written at the first number. So we write C. 515. Where it is? Yes, this is 515. So we write D here. 550. It is 550. And 500. There is no ones and tens place. So it is written here. Yes. So today's homework is learn and write table of 4 twice in your fair notebook. Twice means you know now. That is 2 times. Now this is the homework solution of lecture number 6. Let's start backward counting from 200 to 151. This is 200. Now before 200 which number comes? 199. Before 199, 198. Then 197, 196, 195, 194, 193, 192, 191, 190, 189, 188, 187, 186, 185, 184, 183, 182, 181, 180. अब 80 आ गया. 80 से पहले 79, 179, 178, 177, 176, 175, 174, 173, 172, 171, 170, 169, 168, 167, 166, 165, 164, 163, 162, 161, 160, 159, 158, 157, 156, 155, 154, 153, 152, 151. Thank you.